A well-kent spot to my regular viewers. The last wheel-operated level crossing in Scotland at Holywood, just down the road from my home. Oh, and I'm cheating here. Today is actually Friday, the 24th of May. I'm here to catch the empty stock of the Midland Pullman on its northbound run to Newton-on-Ayr. It can't start its charter run from Ayr itself tomorrow, as Ayr Station is out of action and has been for some time, following an arson attack on the old station hotel building, which has left it in a dangerous condition. These gates had been allowed to deteriorate to an appalling condition, but the rotten timbers have been replaced and the whole gates have been cleaned up and repainted. A close examination shows that the gates still don't engage with the locking mechanisms on the ground, but the authorities have lifted the 20-mile-per-hour speed restriction which applied for some months to the southbound track, so they must be confident that the gates are now quite safe. Well, that's it for today. We'll see you tomorrow when we've 2 charter trains to see. Saturday morning, about 2 miles south of Holywood. After a 6:23 a.m. departure from Ayr, I catch the Pullman train just to the north of Dumfries, before heading into town for a good breakfast at Wetherspoons and then a train to Carlisle. A very odd day at the border city. The main line is closed for engineering works both to the north and south. Rail replacement buses are serving Lockerbie, Motherwell and Glasgow, as well as all points south as far as Preston. Some trains are serving Edinburgh, so the engineering must be to the north of Carlisle. Northern and ScotRail services are, today, running normally. Today I'm going to concentrate on the charter trains alone. Northern Bell's Setland Carlisle Steam Special is arriving from Darlington, Durham and Newcastle via the Tyne Valley Line, diesel-hauled. The steam engine was travelling up light from Carnforth. We were expecting Tangmere, which would have to travel via Hellifield and Settle because of the engineering closure of the main line. A Black 5 slipped in almost unnoticed by me and appears to have used the old avoiding line and Curragh Junction to reverse into the Citadel. The special departed dead on time after giving the usual 5-minute warning hoot to any last-minute passengers. As the charter train heads for home, so must I. But I'll be out again tonight to catch the returning blue Pullman, back where I began yesterday, at Holywood Level Crossing. That's it for now. I'm off to do some filming on Lalratty, the 15-inch gauge Ravenglass and Eskdale Railway. So next time I see you online, it'll be among the mountains. Thanks for watching, and here's to the narrow gauge next time.